Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I just wanted to do a video showing you guys how I cover up my overly tired, overworked, exhausted mommy face. Yes, how I cover up my dark circles. I have freckles, so I'm just going to show you my method and what I do to achieve this look and cover up as much tiredness as possible. So if you're interested in the products that I use, I will include them in the description box below. And while you're here, please subscribe, click the bell, turn on your notifications. I will be posting videos at least 1 to 2 times a week and then increasing from there. So like I said earlier, if you're interested in how I achieve this look, stay tuned. So here is my bare face. You can see I got a little pimple there that came out of nowhere. I have these dark circles, I have a few freckles, a couple of moles that I'm going to try to cover up. Just try to overall cover up this tired mommy face because I am actually so exhausted. I look like it and I feel even worse than what I look like because my kid won't sleep through the night anymore. I don't know, but whatever, that's a whole nother story. So I put on the moisturizer. I use aloe vera. It's just a Target brand of the aloe vera, and then I use the MAC Prep and Prime skin base, and it leaves a little bit of a shimmer on your face, which I actually like. So I'm going to try my best not to talk too much in this video, and I apologize if I am whispering. My son is asleep, so finally, right? And it's like 9 o'clock in the morning and he's finally asleep, so but whatever. I completely lost my thought because I'm tired. But anyway, so I'm going to go ahead and do my face. Okay, so this is the final look. As you can see, this little guy is up now and ready to get into everything with his bad head and swollen face from just waking up. I baked it a little bit longer than I wanted to, but it's okay because by midday, I'm sure it'll be right where I want it to be as far as when it sets a little bit for a little bit longer. I will, like I said before, I will include all of the links in the description box below. And thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, share, and please subscribe. And be on the lookout for more videos. Until next time, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye. Say bye. Say bye. Say bye-bye. Hey, say bye-bye. Say bye. Okay, you're trying to get into everything, man.